In today's video, we're going to take a look at a trade setup decision in yen futures. This is the June contract. We're starting with the daily chart. And what I want you to watch is this zone, 89.30 to 40 area. Now, this comes in from a retracement of the prior swing, high to low, 786. We have 100% projection of this prior rally swing. Projected from this low, comes in a little bit higher around that 40 area. And then we also have an extension. If you take this prior high to low and extend it upwards, you'll find that the 1618 overlaps that area. But beyond those three price relationships that show up on the daily chart, there's more if we go down to the 120. So let's take a look at that, and I'll show you where I came up with a couple more levels. So here we also took this low to high swing and projected 100% of that from this low. That gives us this 89.20 area. And then also I've run the extension of this prior high to this low. And then you'll see that the 1618 extension overlaps that. So now it's a little bit wider zone, and this is what I want you to watch as a decision. I don't know if it's going to trigger a short for you, okay? That's why we have to wait for a signal. But we do want to watch this area anywhere between this 89.20 to, actually it shows up as 42 rather than 40 on this chart. But that's the general area where we're going to watch for a possible failure. Now, what you want to see to tell you that it's worth placing a bet is a sell trigger. If you don't understand what a sell trigger is, I want you to go to the front page of my website and then go underneath or click on Danielle's documents, and those will actually teach you how to trigger an entry against a zone like this. So again, if it does trigger an entry, then your risk is going to be defined either above the high that's made prior to your sell trigger firing off, or above the high end of the zone, which would be above this 89.42 area. Now also remember, no trigger, no trade. So if we stay in this area and you don't see a sell trigger, do not take a trade against that zone. Okay, so this I consider a key decision, and we'll just see what the market does against this zone.